Hey, welcome aboard to my channel. My name is Pulu, and today we are going to reviewing this beautiful red sedan from Majorette Street Cars. This is the Majorette self. Look at this beautiful red color of this Corolla Altis. This is the usual Majorette card here. This inside the bubble there's a Corolla that we will reviewing soon. This is the back of the card. Okay, lots of logos from cars here. There's a same code here, BK020320. Street cars certain. Okay, let's unboxing it. Okay, let us open this Majorette Altis. Where do we? There you go. Let's talk about this Altis. Nice, very clean paint job. Nice red color from this Altis. And let's talk from the left side first. As you can see, this has a side mirror here. You can see there's a double two-door handle here. There's a fuel cap here. Very nice detail from the side of the car. And let's see the front. This is the awesome detail from the front card from this Altis. As you can see, the middle of this grille, you can see there's a Toyota logo here. The headlight is made from mica plastic, I think. Yep. Here, this is the fog lamp here. You can see the detail of this fog lamp, and the radiator grille here too. Very nicely detailed. And you can see here there's a license plate here. If you want to make a number of the license plate, you can see the hood here. Here is the hood. There's a wiper here. Nice, very big front glass of the car. And from the right side of this car is the same detail from the left side of the car. Very nice. And from the back of this car, as you can see, very nice detail. I love it. As you can see, the tail light here to here. There's some garnish here. Very nice Toyota logo there. Very nice detail from the Toyota logo here. And there's a Toyota also here, minus Altis here. Tail light here. Back light here, I think. Yep. Trunk here. Very nice. Big bumper here. The detail of this big bumper is also good. From the top, as you can see, there's I think this is a sunroof. Nicely detailed. And meanwhile, the interior is very nice. It's colored in black. Very nice interior. Let me see from close. Yes, it has very nice black interior. Let's see the base. Very detailed from the base. Nicely detailed from the base. It only has one refit here, I think. Yes, this is Majorette Toyota Corolla Altis, made in Thailand. And of course, it has a spring mechanism. You can see there. The back tire, front tire. Nice, very nice detail from this Altis, red Altis. I love it. See, you can see. So let us put this Altis on this turntable so you can see the beautiful of this Altis and you can enjoy the viewing. Join the view of this red Corolla Altis from Majorette Street Cars. I hope you do enjoying our review in this time. I'll see you soon to review. I'll see you soon to unboxing another diecast car. I hope you have a nice day and goodbye.